Prince Harry and Meghan Markle stepped down as senior members of the royal family in January 2020. The couple have had a rocky relationship with the media since the beginning of their relationship, with them issuing multiple warnings to the press and pleading for privacy. But amid repeated demands for privacy, the Duke and Duchess of Sussex have so far not shied away from publicity, prompting Vine panelist James Max to question their strategy. The broadcaster took particular issue with Prince Harry and Meghan Markle's agreement with Netflix despite the Duke's protectiveness toward his mother Princess Diana's legacy. Mr. Max said, "He shouldn't work there. Netflix. I'm sorry. Hes a say not a do. He speaks about the private having got there on his private jet. He speaks about no intrusion but puts publicity out there on his own basis. If you're that concerned about the publicity, walk away from the public life. Stop causing it." Jeremy Vine intervened. "Maybe Hes a bit damaged. Everything that happened to his mother. But Mr. Max quipped. A bit damaged. H has fallen off the back of a lorry and everything's broken." Mr. Vine added, "Well, hang on. There he is as a little boy, without knowing that she had 10 more years of life left. What did that do to him? You can't imagine." Journalist Ash Sarkar added, "I think that's a separate issue, which is the way in which the royal family does something incredibly traumatic to human beings. It puts their interpersonal lives, their loves, their insecurities front and center of national life, and that's one of the reasons I am a staunch Republican." The Sussexes have recently come under fire for their reported £150 million deal with Netflix. Many are criticizing Harry's silence surrounding the portrayal of his late mother, Princess Diana, in the Netflix show The Crown. Elizabeth Debicki has taken over the role of Princess Diana from Emma Corrin in the new season. The show has been criticized for the way it has portrayed Diana as a helpless victim.